Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this meeting. I'm Gloria Lucia, now microbiologist and epidemiologist of the University of Antioquia and consultant international. Today, I told you about saving water at home through the application of easy and cost-effective strategies. I hope you have been taking a good shower today. The topics are first, strategies for use water effectively at home. Second, some examples of conservation and water use efficiently practice. 3. How to avert a global water crisis. 4. Scope the project. 5. Conclusions. This figure shows some engineering strategies and behavioral practice could be implemented to water use efficiently at home. Engineering strategies are practice based on modification in plumbing, fixtures of water supply, operating procedures, a changing of low flow toilets, change toilet displacement device, low flow shower head, or faucet airtos. The behavior practice involves changing water use habits to that water use more efficiently, thus reducing the overall water consumption in a home. The main are gray water use and use less water in activities as laundry, hygiene, dishwashing, etc. In general strategies, it's very important to check regularly for leaks on internal plumbing. Hazardous water leaks wasted more than 1 trillion gallons a year. Preventing wasted water is crucial to ensuring sustainable use of our most precious resources, and finding and fixing leaks is a key to ending waste. In relation to behavioral practice, it's important to take account that almost every activity or daily routine that happens in the home bathroom uses a lot of water. You use more water in the bathroom than in all of the other rooms at home. You know you can save water by turning off the tap while you brush your teeth, for example. And in kitchen and food preparation, we spend much of our lives at home in the kitchen. The major hub of activity saving water in the kitchen will play a big part in reducing your water consumption at home. It's important that you don't let your faucet needlessly run while you're cooking. You can use a bowl in the sink when washing fruit, vegetables, or dishes. Before, you can then use this wasted water to water your plants. In summary, there are many ways to saving water relating with the education practice as environmental education and managing waste responsibilities. This is focus. Those are focused in conserving, optimizing, increase recovery for water, pick up the rainwater, for example, or build reservoirs. Reuse. Turn off the tap while brushing your recycling wastewater. Dual flush toilet. Angry was grey water. Saving. Don't leave taps open. Checks for leaks. Taking shortened showers. Full load. This is an online survey, home water audit. There are many tips that you can check if you do that often, sometimes or never. At the end, you can calculate a score to save in your water or wasted water at home. You must take account that is real a water crisis for many reasons. The overpopulation that need more demand of water, the warming water, and different causes to for lake water. And you can take action to avoid a global crisis. Global water crises are considered the biggest threat facing the planet over the next decade, affecting economics of all sizes. The main problem of water is that we are dealing with a resource that was once considered infinite or renewable. However, today they are considered have changed. Water is a resource largely distributed on the planet, but the most part is not sure for human drinking. If current trend continue, global annual water usage is set to increase by more than 2 trillion cubic meters by 2030, rising 7.9 trillion cubic meters. 40% more than can be provided by available water supplies. Without immediate action to improve the monitoring and management of existing water resources, and in particular to change water usage in homes, the world will face a water crisis. The main aim of this project is to increase awareness on saving water at homes, which should be recognized as a great priority to face the water shortage. This is the scope of this project. At the end, I would like to send a message to you that it's possible reducing energy use and saving money through save water and reuse wasted water at homes, while at the same time help to protect the resources and to contribute the environmental protect. The payback comes from the water saving. The fair benefits of water use efficiently practice, both energy and behavioral practice, will include an average global reduction of economic cost between 40% to 60% per home, for a total annual economic benefit of $5 million. The evaluation of costs and benefits of saving water bring improvements at the familiar economy. It's great. Everyone, it's the time to save water. Please take action. Thanks for your attention and please feel free to do any question about it.